Hey guys, we're live on the Insurance House. What's up, Ray?
How you doing, Mike?
Excellent. So we had a big day here at the office. We had a picture day. So Ray and I are looking smooth as could be.
That's right.
And so we figured since we're smooth, we got to hop on here live.
That's right. Got to take advantage of what we have it, right?
Hey, with employee benefits season here, Q4, I wanted to talk a little bit about. I did FAO client package spotlights 1 through 6. So for those of you that missed those, go on our YouTube channel. We talk about service offering from our client package. We're breaking them out and talking about them individually. This one I wanted to get Ray on and talk about our industry benchmarking reports, because I think now that we're in enrollment season and Q4 and getting into employee benefit season, I think this is a big part of our offering. So if you're an enhanced key or premier level package recipient of our agency, you get free industry benchmarking reports. Ray, how can this help a company? Tell us a little bit about this service.
Well, a benchmark report basically takes a snapshot of your current benefits program. So I'm just going to focus on the medical insurance. So you offer a medical program now, and it takes a snapshot of the plan designs as well as your premium levels for those plans, as well as the contribution you're paying on behalf of your employees, and then compares it against local, regional, and national metrics based on companies that are in your same industry and same group size as well. So at the end of the day, what do you do with that data? Well, with that data, what you do, you're able to compare yourself with your competitors and see if you stack up with your competitors. Be able to make improvements on certain benefits or contribution structures. That way, you're just going to attract and retain talent, and just make
Exactly.
you better in the market.
Yeah, I think something we see often is dealing with smaller companies. They're wondering why they can't get employees to come over from larger companies, or they're losing employees to larger companies. And I think a lot of it, they don't realize like their benefit offering is not up to par with what those other companies are doing in their industry. When we put together a benchmarking report, and Ray can do that, and he does really nice reports. I think it's helped a lot of our clients realize, well, I need to improve the value that I'm bringing to my employees, and whether it's contribution level, uh, the comprehensive nature of the benefit package. Talk a little bit about that.
Well, like I said, it's as you're alluding to. So when it basically gives you insight on what your competitors are doing in the marketing industry, so that way you can make adjustments to your plan. If the guy across the street from you, who's a same shop or same size or maybe slightly larger, it basically puts you on the same playing field by making those adjustments on your plans and your contributions for your employees. So that way you can keep those key guys. For that matter, if you wanted to have an edge in the market, you can even boost up your contributions above the benchmark. So that way you attract people and basically know with data driven back decisions that you are ahead of the curve against your competition.
It's awesome. So if you guys are, if you have a client package with their agency, if you haven't onboarded, give Ray a call. He'll help you onboard. Let's see if the salary, or the benefits benchmarking report, industry benchmarking report, can help you guys, help you retain, attract, and give you, like Ray said, a competitive edge. Maybe there's areas where, as a small business or a medium-sized business, it's harder. There's things you can't do to compete with a larger company. This is a way that you can, and we can give you the data to show you exactly what others in your industry are doing. Ray, anything you want to leave on that note?
Just indicate, like I said, like I've been doing this for years, and so I've seen a multitude of benefit packages, contribution levels by industry, and so I know off the bat if someone's contribution structure program is off par. But it helps when you have data backing up what you're saying.
Yep. Give us a call, guys. If you're not a client of our agency and you think that this could help, reach out. You can call us at our agency, 858-384-1506. You can reach Ray directly at ray@foagency.com. Make sure to follow along on our social media channels and check out our YouTube. We have a lot of good information on there that we've been putting out. And thanks for watching.
Thank you.